Hello and welcome back again. In this video I'll show you how to find copyright free music for your YouTube channel and Facebook page. So you can use music from this video also. You don't get any copyright notice, or if you get copyright notice, that didn't harm your channel. So you can use this product audio also, and you also find copyright free audio from YouTube. So you need to go your channel, you need to go YouTube Studio to find copyright free audio. And then scroll down and then select audio library. Here you will find so many free music video that you can easily use to make your YouTube video. Here you can also play this video, just clicking this on, and this will play the video. Also you can find free sound effect from here. You can also use this sound effect. And another way to find free music video is just search in YouTube. YouTube free audio. Here you can find audio library music for content creator. You can use all audio from here easily. What you need to do, just give them a credit. Here if you open a video and then check the description, you can download this audio from here, and you need to give this description video. You need to add this to use this free music. So I'll show you how you can find audio for your YouTube channel. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.